Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add categories to your website on WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So what you want to do, if you do not already have an account, just create a new one, and if you have one, log into your WordPress account, and after creating your website and opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding categories. Basically guys, what we're looking for is right here at the left side screen in the post right here option. We want to put our mouse on the posts option. After clicking post guys, this is now going to open up this new drop down menu where one of the options is going to be called categories. So that's exactly what we want to open up. Click on categories. After clicking categories, this is now going to go ahead and open up the list of all the categories that we have in our WordPress website. And what we're looking for guys is to click the add new category button. So in the upper right corner, click the add new category. Now you can give it your new name, let's say new. You can give it a description, whatever you want, and after that you can click add, and this is how you successfully add a category. And now you have your new category which you can open up, edit, and so on. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.